It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. We're here at 440 Sawmill Road, Unit 1B, Situate, Rhode Island. Second floor, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment for rent, newly renovated. Start our video tour when you walk in. Kitchen area here. New refrigerator is not seen, but it will go in there. Electric stove. Countertop and cabinet space. Custom built island right here, overlooking the living area. So you got electric heat, the view, big windows, plenty of natural light. Got a linen closet there. That's on my left here. Brand new bathroom. Shower tub, vanity. Bedroom here. Big enough for a queen, possibly a king set if needed. Definitely a queen set though. Good closet space there as well. As you can see, high ceilings throughout, brand new flooring. I'd like to schedule a view on the 440 Sawmill Road, Unit 1B, Situate, Rhode Island. Click that show module link at the bottom of the screen. Pick the time that best suits you. Or if you'd like to beat the rush and apply now, click apply now, fill out the application. It's Frank with Blackstone Group Leasing and Management. Thank you and have a great day.